Okay guys, welcome back. This is part 5 of lesson 8. Now we're going to draw an octagon inside of a circle, and what this is going to do is it's going to have us pulling together everything we've learned today. Bisecting a segment to make perpendicular lines, and also making perfect angle bisectors. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this point. So this is the point that we use to make this circle, and then I'm going to pick a point somewhere on the outside. So we're going to call this point A, let's call this point B. And then I'm simply just going to connect them. Make a nice straight line through. So now we have a segment, and now I'm going to take that segment and I'm going to do what we did in the last one when we were making a square, and I'm going to make a perpendicular bisector. So I'm going to come out a little more than halfway. Take a line there. Oops. Let's get this all done. One down there. Do the same thing on the other side. So I want these things to bisect. There we go. And now I can connect these lines through the midpoint, two lines that I've created. There we go. Make a nice 90-degree angle. And now what we're looking at is we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants. But really, if we're going to make an octagon, we need to split that up into 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what are we going to be doing? We're basically going to be bisecting each and every one of these angles. So let's start that process. I'm just going to use my compass here to make an angle there, and then come out here for a bisector, and come over here for a bisector. I'm going to do the same thing over on the other side, and really I can just kind of make this circle go all the way around if I want, because I'm not really changing my angles at all. And then again, make an arc, So I'm making these arcs that I'm going to be able to connect later. Over here. Do the same thing with this one. Okay. And now I can start bisecting all of these angles. Pretty simple. Break it up into 8 quadrants instead of 4. Okay, so there we go. We have our 8 quadrants, and now I can start connecting all of these points together to complete my octagon. Kind of doing this in a quick way so that you guys don't have to watch this video forever, but you'll definitely get the gist of this as I go through and quickly connect each and every one of these points together to make a nice simple octagon. There's our octagon inside of a circle. If we wanted to, we could keep going. We could continue to bisect these and make even more sides. We could double the sizes. If we've got an octagon, if we wanted to, we could intersect. We could bisect every single one of these angles, and we could make a 16-sided object instead of an 8-sided object. But as it stands, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 perfect 8-sided octagon object here in our circle.